Today I am going to discuss the most important chapter from the first flight book is the necklace. Henri Rene Guy de Albert Maupassant was born on 15 August 1850, was a French writer, remembered as the master of short story forms, who often depicted on human lives, destinies, and social forces in the society. The story revolves around a selfish lady named Matilda. She is unsatisfied with her life as she wants a rich husband. As she belongs from the family of the clerk and her parents are unable to give dowry in her marriage, therefore she is married to a clerk family. One day both husband and wife have invited to a party at the minister's house. But Matilda doesn't have good clothes and jewels to wear in a party. After that, her husband suggests that her to buy an beautiful dress and asks her old friends for the jewels or can wear a flowers in a party. She then decided to borrow an beautiful necklace from her friend for the party. What happened next proved to be a lesson for the unhappy lady. When she doesn't agree to wear a flower jewels to the party, therefore her husband suggests her to approach her old friend Meme Frostes, who is a rich lady and would lend her jewels to wear at the party. In the same manner, Mr. and Mrs. Memel Loisel make a lots of efforts when they realize that they have lost the beautiful necklace. They try to remember the cab number, goes to the tracks also, gives an advertisement in the newspaper for the necklace and rewards for the return of the necklace, but nothing works. They finally decided to replace the necklace by buying a necklace similar to the one they have lost. They buy a necklace from a shop for 36,000 francs. They themselves have 18,000 francs only. Therefore, they borrow the rest of the money by making up false stories and taking loans for a lot of lenders. In this way, the greedy lady Matilda have to suffer too much after losing her beautiful necklace, which she have borrowed from her old friend Mrs. Foster's. Here we have the theme of the story. The main theme of the necklace are greed, deceptive appearance, beauty, and vanity. In this lesson, there is a greedy lady, Matilda, who is unsatisfied with her life as she is married with a clerk and belongs from middle class family. She wants to live a luxury life which make her blind from the comfort she already possesses. She ultimately lead to her losing what wealth and status she has in her life. Therefore, we should not crave for the luxury things. We should satisfy whatever we have in there in our life. Whatever luxuries, whatever the facilities, what are the comforts, what are the loving things we have in our life, we should satisfy with them. We should not crave for the luxury things in the same manner of Matilda in this story. Here we have the conclusion. The story tells us one should not crave for luxury things. One should satisfy with the things which are available in their life. Desire lead to the happiness, and we should not hide the truth. Here we have the beautiful story about the greedy lady who is very selfish and who is totally unsatisfied with her life. How she managed all the things in order to go a minister's house party, or she arranged the beautiful necklace from her friend, but she's not able to wear it properly, and she have to come with her husband, and after returning the house, they notice that the necklace is not there in her neck, and they really very suffered, um, doing lots of efforts in order to find a necklace, like remember the cab number, goes to the tracks also. They have also giving the advertisement in the newspaper for the necklace. In order to get returned, they also rewards the uh, money when he is who is able to return the necklace, who is find out, they will give him and her rewards also, but nothing works. And at the end, they have to spend their own money just because of the necklace. They have to purchase the same necklace from the shop, and they have to take the loans also. They have to make the uh, false stories in order to get the loan from the banks and all that things. And the necklace is about the 36,000 francs, and they have to borrow the money also extra, like 18,000 francs they have only, and they are rest of the money they have to take the loan. And in this way, the Matilda, what which kind of well status she already have in their life, she in her life, she almost lost it just because of the greediness nature, and desires, and selfishness, and unsatisfaction with her life. I hope you like this video, which is very important according to your examination point of views. If you want to know of the other chapters, um, make proper structure of the answer, and wants to know the all the things, like which is very important in order to write a correct answer. Students, here I am going to share an problem which is very common in the students who are the average students. Average students have the lots of knowledge in their mind about the chapter and the poems, but they are not able to write an proper answer in order to get the maximum marks in their examination. Nobody wants to know how much knowledge you have. The main thing is that how you express yourself in your examination, and which is showing by your answer, the way you are writing your answer. If you are not able to write an proper structure of the answer, you are not able to gain the maximum marks. Either you have the lots of knowledge about the chapter, about the characters, and each and every things you know very well, but if you are not able to express the things correctly in your examination answer sheet, you are not able to get the maximum marks in your examination, which is the main problem of the students. I hope you like my videos. If you wants to know the other chapters, proper structure of the answer, and the descriptions and the proper details, and the good structure which you can write in your examination, please like and subscribe my channel. Thank you.